This is Barry Hazard Gaming, and today we are playing another new game. It is called Shadowverse. So, as you can see, I've already done 2 levels, and I'm up to the level 3. Well, not really level, but stage 3. So, let's start. Yep. Jungle. That looks scary. I'm always first. What? Why does he get to go first? Okay. Raw. The player goes second, draws 2 cards on the first turn. Now you're ready to battle on your own. Oh. Let's use that. Let's see. No. He's thinking. Well, guess what? I'm wrecking the. Of course you are. There. Nah. Fine. What? This fellow. This fellow was played this turn. Ah. I can play my next turn. Nah. I want to use the fighter. Evolve. Oh, damn. Oh. 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 Summon a fighter. Oh, damn. And turn. Of course you do. Oh my god, that's scary. How does that work? No. No, 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 no. see something. Oh damn! I got 4 cards. Oh damn! Which one's the strongest? That one. Oh, oh damn! Ah. Yeah, I'll summon none of them. And a fairy whisperer. Ah! Ah! Oh damn! Damn it! That's. Ooh, I like that. That looks good. They're picking on me. Okay. Let's summon this boy. I want to evolve it. Let's use this one. Now I can attack. And attack him again. Oh. Yay! I won. Guys, that was amazing. That fence. Ooh. Got 20 coins. Did I get any of these? Oh. I want to earn some. Crate. Solo. Oh damn! My name's Hazza. Yo, sup? These are all my cards. So, main story. I don't know this boy. Just so you know, I love dragons and swords, but I like dragons better. Snowcraft, Floodcraft, and I haven't. Yep, I'm this guy. I'm Rowan. Sorry, Rowan is a knight haunted by secrets from his past. Sorry. I just need to pause the video. That was my first video on shadowverse. And I know what I'm gonna call this video. You would have seen it already though. Okay, so that was my first episode on shadowverse, and I will hopefully upload another one soon. And sorry that I haven't been uploading it that much videos lately. Just haven't really felt like it. Haven't been that well. But just suddenly today I just felt like I just really needed to make a video. So yeah. This is a very long outro. So see ya. Bye.